Good day mga kamatiniks. Once again, this is Sir J. And for today's topic, I am going to discuss to you about subsets, universal sets, null sets, and cardinality of sets. Okay, so before we proceed with our topic, please subscribe first to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga i-upload na videos at paki-like na rin ang videong ito. Okay, so let's start. So in this lesson, sa ating previous lesson, you have learned how to illustrate sets. Now, you will learn about subsets, universal sets, null sets, and cardinality of sets. So madali lang ito, class. Listen carefully. Okay, so let's review first yung ating previous lesson. So let's identify whether each of the following sets is well-defined or not. So let's put a check mark if it is well-defined and a cross mark if it is not. So write your answer in the space provided before the number. Okay, so let's start. Number 1. All right. Okay, number 1, the set of all numbers from 2 to 10. Okay, so it is well defined. So let's put a check. Now, the set of all factors of 18. Yes, that is well defined also. The set of responsible citizens. Of course, that is not a well defined sets. So that is X or cross mark. The set of letters in the word father. Yes, that is well defined. The set of hard-working frontliners. Okay, so not also. Kasi hindi siya clear. Okay? Next is okay, here. Given we have set A contained the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or whole numbers from 0 to 10. Then, let's find, number 1, the set of odd numbers. Okay, so the set of odd numbers from our given, we have, so ito siya, sa ating number 1. Okay, so yan ay set of odd numbers sa odd. Okay, so including na yung 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, so ito yung ating set of odd numbers dito sa ating given. Next, the set of multiples of 4. Of course, let's start with 4. Then, ano pa ang kanyang multiples dito? 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, so that is 8. So ito yung ating set sa number 3. Nag-ano pala tayo, number 3. Okay, ito pala siya, number 2. The set of all factors of 10. When we say factors ng 10, kapag pinag-multiply natin, siya ay equal to 10. Example ng mga factors ng 10, itong 2, itong 1. Okay, let's start with 1. Factor siya ng 10 kasi 1 times 10. Diba? So next, yung 2. 2 times 5. Okay, so 2, 5, at saka 10. So ito yung mga factors ni 10. So 1 times 10, tapos 2 times 5. So 1, 2, 5, 10. Number 4, the set of negative integers. Walang negative dyan sa ating given. So therefore, that is null set. Okay, null set. Ayan, wala. So that is null set. Next. Okay, so let's proceed with universal set. Ano ba ang universal set? The universal set U is the set that contains all objects under consideration. Okay, so example, set U contains the set of whole numbers. Ito yung kabuuhan. Okay, so kabuuhan siya. Kabuuhan yung ating universal set. So set U contains the set of whole numbers. So yung set U contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. so forth and so on. So maglagay lang tayo ng tatlong dots dyan kasi ibig sabihin yan, tuloy-tuloy yan. Infinite ito kasi walang katapusan yung ating whole numbers eh. So, infinite yan. Okay, so maglagay lang tayo dyan ng 3 dots representing that the numbers are continuous. Okay, so number 2. Set U contains the set of all letters of the English alphabet. So, from A to Z. So, yan yung ating number 2. Next, number 3. Set U contains the set of days of the week. So, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So, yan yung ating number 3. Okay? So, yung universal set, ito yung kabuuhan, kabuuhan. Next, subsets. So, subsets, given any two sets, A and B, every element in A is also an element in B. Then, A is a subset of B. Again if every element in A is also an element in B, then A is a subset of B. So, it means kung ang element ni A ay element din ni B, therefore, si A ay subset ni B. So, the symbol for that is, ito yung ating symbol. So, A is a subset of B. Okay? And that is read as A is a subset of B. So, ito yung kanyang symbol. Ito. Yung parang U na pahiga na mayroong line sa baba. So, yan ang kanyang symbol ng ating subset. Note, every set is a subset of itself. And empty set is also a subset of every set. So therefore, yung bawat set natin, subset siya ng kanyang sarili. Subset of itself. Every set is a subset of itself. And pati na yung mga empty set. Empty set is a subset of every set. So number 1 example, we have set R contain the elements 1, 2. So ano yung kanyang mga subsets? The set itself. The set itself is a subset of itself. Ayan, so itong 1, 2. And then, yung ating 1 at saka 2 is a subset of set R. And also, the null set or the empty set. Yan ay subset din ito. So, we have 2 elements, 1 element, and 0 element. Next. Okay, set O contained elements red, blue, yellow. Okay, so red, blue, yellow is a subset of itself. Ito. So we have 3 elements. Then sa 2 elements naman natin, it can be red, yellow, or blue, yellow. So as long as na yung elements natin dito ay element ni set O. So that means that sila dito sa ating 2 elements are subset of set O. Subset sila ni set O. Kasi lahat naman ng elements dito sa ating 2 elements na set ay nandito sa set O. Elements din ni set O. Then 1 element, we have red, blue, yellow, and we have 0 element also. So itong null set or empty set is a subset of every set. And the set itself is a subset also of itself. Okay, next. Okay, we have another example here. Set S contain the elements 3, 6, 9, 12. So, 3, 6, 9, 12 is a subset of itself, 4 elements. Then we have 3 elements, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 12, 3, 9, 12, 6, 9, 12. Okay? Then 2 elements, we have 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, 6, 9, 6, 12, 9, 12. Then for 1 element, we have 3, 6, 9, 12. Again, kasama pa rin yung null set at saka empty set. Null set at empty set. Yan ay subset ng every set. Dito naman sa number 4, again, so itong 4 elements natin, the set itself is a subset of itself. Then we have 3 elements, MAT, as long as na yung mga elements ng ating subset siya ng isang set kapag yung elements niya ay elements din ng ating universal set. Example dito, yung ating universal set is itong E. Ito yung ating universal set, si set E. So ito lahat ay subsets ni set E kasi lahat ng elements niya ay nakay set E din. Okay, so I hope na gets ninyo yan. The same also with example number 5. Okay. Ang null set naman, again, kapag sinabi nating null set is a set with no element, wala siyang element, that is empty set or null set. The symbol for empty set is ito. Dalawang braces na walang laman. Ang ibig sabihin yan, empty set. Ang symbol naman for null set is ito. Yan yung null. Null set. Ito ay empty set. Parehas lang yung dalawang yan. Parehas lang yan sila. Okay, next. So we have here an example. Set T is the set of counting numbers between 1 and 2. Mayroon bang counting numbers between 1 and 2? Wala. So that is null. Null set or empty set. Empty set or null set. Next, set I is the set of months with 35 days. Mayroon bang months na mayroong 35 days? Wala. So that is empty set or null set. Set M is the set of cars with 60 doors. Grabe naman yun. Wala namang ganung car na mayroong 60 doors. 60 yung upuan, meron pa. So that is empty set or null set. Set B is the set of flying castles. Wala pang ganon. So that is empty or null set. Set E is the set of crying trees. Wala namang umiiyak na puno. So empty set or null set yan. Ha? Okay, next. Cardinality of sets. When we say cardinality of sets, the cardinal number of set A denoted by n of A. N of A, ibig sabihin yan, the number of elements in set A. Thus, in set A, contain the elements 1, 3, 5, 7. So, the number of elements in set A is 4. Because set A contains 4 elements. Okay? So, again, pag sinabi natin cardinality of sets, ito yung number, ito yung tumutukoy sa number of elements sa ating set. Cardinality of sets, the number of elements in our set. Okay, so we have here an example. Number 1. So find the cardinality of the following sets. Number 1. Set D is the set of vowels in English alphabet. Okay, so ano yun? A, E, I, O, U or A, E, O, U. So how many elements do we have there? 5. So the number of elements in set D is 5. Ito yung N of D. Number of elements in set D is 5. Number 2. Set R is the set of letters in the word difficulty. Okay, so dito class, the word difficulty. So ilang letters lang yan. Dapat pag sinulat natin siya in a set, hindi pa ulit-ulit yung letters ha. So we have D, isang I lamang, isang F, C, U, L, T, Y. So ilang elements lahat yung ating set R? 8. So the number of elements in set R is 8. Okay? Next, number 3. Set M is the set of odd numbers between 1 and 3. Meron bang odd numbers between 1 and 3? Wala. So that is empty set or null set. So kapag empty set or null set, meron bang elements? Wala. So that is 0. So the number of elements in set M is 0. Number 4. Set E is the set of letters in the word survivor. Okay, so dito class, sa ating solution, so dapat hindi nga pa ulit-ulit. So isang V lang dapat yan kapag sinulat natin sa ating set. So we have S, U, R, V, I, and O. So, ilang elements lahat yan? We have 6 elements. Okay, so yan. 6 lamang yan. Next, number 5. Set K is the set of counting numbers less than 5. So, ano yung mga counting numbers less than 5? Hindi kasama ang 0 ha? Hindi kasama sa counting number ang 0. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ilan lahat ang ating elements sa K? So, the number of elements in set K is 4. So, ganun lang kasimple class yung ating universal set, subset, and the cardinality of set. Pag universal set, yung kabuuhan. Pag subset, yung isang set ay subset ng isa pang set kapag yung kanyang elements ay elements din ng isang set. Example, si A. Kung lahat ng elements ni A ay elements din ni B, ibig sabihin si A ay subset ni B. At ang cardinality naman of a set, tumutukoy yan sa number of elements sa ating set. Yung cardinality of a set. Sagutan natin ito class, itong what's more. Okay, number 1. Set A, find the cardinality ha. Find the cardinality of the following sets. Set A is the set of days in a week. Okay, so what is the cardinality ni A? Again, pag isusulat natin siya in symbol, N of A. Ibig sabihin yan, number of elements in set A. So, ilan ba lahat ang days natin in a week? 7. Set B naman. So, number of elements in set B is set of letters in the word recognition. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 only kasi hindi naman pwede pa ulit-ulit. So, isang R lang, isang E, isang C, isang O, isang G, isang N, isang I, at isang T. Okay, so 8 only. Number 3, set C is the set of even numbers less than 2. Mayroon bang even numbers less than 2? Wala. So, that is 0. So, the number of elements in set C is 0. Wala naman eh. Less than 2 daw. Ito na nga yung pinakamaliit natin na even number. Set D is the set of odd numbers between 3 and 9. So, ano ba yung mga odd numbers between 3 and 9? So, ilan lahat yun? 3, 5. So, diba 3, tapos 5, then 7, at saka 9. Right? So, ilan yan? 2. Okay, so 2. Between 3 and 9. Then, set E is the set of factors of 12. So, the number of elements in set E. So, factors of 12. Ano ba yung mga factors na 12? We have 1. Okay, 1. 1, then 2. Okay, 1, 2, at saka 3. Tama? So, 3, 4, 6, at saka 12. Ayan. So, 1 times 12, 2 times 6, at saka 3 times 4. Okay, so ilan lahat yan? That is 6. Next, tell whether each statement is true or false. Number 1. Set, itong unang set natin is a subset daw. Nito. Yes, of course. Kasi lahat ng elements nito ay nandirito sa ating set na to. Dito sa set na to. Okay, so that is true. Tuloy-tuloy ito eh. 1, 2, 3. Ayan o, may 3 dots. Ibig sabihin tuloy-tuloy yan. Lahat ng counting numbers to. So, kabilang dyan yung 3, 5, at saka 7. Ito naman, next. Itong set na to daw is a subset of this set. That is false. False yan. Wala namang B at saka Q dito sa set na to. Walang B at saka Q dito. Next, si 3, 12, 5 at saka 19 is a subset of 19, 3, 5, and 12. Yes, true. Kahit pa magkaiba yan sila ng mga pagkaka-arrange, still, pare-pareho pa rin naman ang kanilang mga elements. So, subset sila ng isa't isa. Okay? Next, si 4 daw ay subset nito. Yes, true. True yan. Next, si null set daw ay subset nito. True also. Okay, so empty set is a set of every set. So, true din yan. Okay, so it's your turn now to answer the following. Okay, so what I have learned, answer the following. That's very easy for you. And answer this also. Okay, true or false only yan. Then identification. Okay, so that's all for our lesson about universal set, subset, and the cardinality of sets. So thank you for listening. Kita-kits ulit sa ating next video lesson. Okay? So, doon sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga i-upload na videos. At paki-like na rin ang videong ito. Okay? Thank you so much. See you sa ating next video lesson.